Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to enroll for SWAYAM courses. Open your Google Chrome browser, type SWAYAM. The home page of SWAYAM will be open on your screen. To enroll for the course, click on Sign In and Register button. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up Now and create your account easily. You need to provide the username and password and email address to create new account. Or you use your Gmail account and sign up with your credentials. To enroll new course, select course catalog or use filter option. Select all courses. Right side of your screen, it will show you list of courses offered by the SWAYAM, and left side user can take the use of filter option. Select National Coordinator. In drop list you will find list of the National Coordinator. You can select course duration option. You can choose your course duration like 4 week, 8 week, 12 week according to your choice. Here I am selecting 4 week course Python for Data Science. Click on the course logo and enroll for the course. It will show you the summary of the course layout and instructor of the course. Click on the Join to enroll the course. After that you need to provide your profile details such as your name, mobile number, your valid email address, age group belongs to, country name, profession, select as student, provide your qualification details. If your college is part of SWAYAM local chapter, choose Yes option. Select your state, and select your college name from the list. Select area and department. And check here to accept the terms of service and honor code, and click here to join the course button. After this, course outline and welcome message appears on the screen. That's it. You have successfully registered for the course. Further, in your login course lessons, videos, assignments will be appeared as per the course schedule. If you have any queries, please post in the comment box. Thank you.